And you know, not too long ago, I did a 100-day torture test on a Glock, and we have performed the same test on the AR-15. So naturally, I figured an AK-47 should be next on the menu. So I buried one, threw one in a pond, soaked one in ocean water, and then I put the other in a deep freezer. Oh, that's not looking good. Okie dokie. Oh, yeah. And again, I am really surprised at how good this thing looks. Okay, this next one, salt water, is not good for your guns. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's really bad. Okay. That means there's only one AK left to retrieve, and that is the frozen AK. Okay. Oh, I just about got it. It's looking pretty good. Ice doesn't really seem to be so hard on guns. It's almost like it freezes them in time. Now we have to take these things and see if they will function. Let's see if this thing will function. Ooh, that's gritty. Oh. Ooh, okay. We are in business. You just got jammed. 2 rounds and a jam. Still did better than the AR-15. Up next is going to be the saltwater AK, and wow. This next one is going to be the true test. This is the AK-47 that we buried for 100 days. That popped out of there pretty easily, and that ammo doesn't look that bad. Go. Jam. Last, we have the frozen AK, and ammo looks pretty much brand new that this thing's gonna chamber. Yep. Okay. Man, and I have to say, it seems the AK-47 is nothing to shake a stick at.